Hello everyone, my name is Val and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you a very engaging, all-in-one language game that incorporates vocabulary, grammar, sentence building, and general language skills. It's perfect for reviews because you need around 30 or 35 minutes to complete this game. As usual, it requires very little preparation. All you need is a piece of chalk, a blackboard, and a few students to play with. It can be used with learners of different ages and various English language abilities, from primary school children to adult language learners. Also, I'd like to make a quick note that this video is not made for kids. It is made for ESL teachers for training purposes. Here is how you play it. Divide the blackboard into a grid with 5 columns and 5 rows. Label the columns with the categories and assign point values to each row. Prepare questions for each category and point value. Feel free to customize the categories and questions based on the specific content of your lesson. My example here is designed for grade 6 students and is related to jobs. Divide the class into 2 or more teams. Teams choose a category and point value, for example, jobs for 200 points. The teacher reads the corresponding question aloud. The teams play rock, paper, scissors to decide who goes first. If the team answers correctly, they earn points. If they answer incorrectly, the turn goes to another team and they have the opportunity to answer. Use chalk to keep track of each team's score on the board. For added excitement, include a daily double or final round question where teams can wager some or all of their points. Before the game begins, announce that one daily double is hidden on the board. Hide it in a specific category and point value. When a team selects a question, if they find the daily double, they can wager any or all of their current points before seeing the question. After announcing the daily double, the team decides on a wager secretly. They can write it down on a piece of paper and submit it to the teacher or just say it out loud. Once the wager is submitted, reveal the question. The team has the chance to answer, and if correct, they earn the wagered points. If incorrect, they lose the wagered points. Let me show you what this game may look like in a real classroom.
Hello everyone! Today we are playing Jeopardy! Please remember there is one daily double hidden on the board. The lucky team can wager points and double their points. Which team wants to go first? Team A? Team A? Maybe Team B? Team A! Sure, no problem. Choose your category and point value. Go! Jobs for 300 points. Okay, jobs for 300 points. Who helps you fix your car when it's broken? My father? Good guess, Team A, but it's not the correct answer. Team B, you try. An engineer. No, I'm sorry, it's not an engineer. Yes, Team A, you want to try again? Sure, I'll let you do it this time, but remember, next time if you're wrong, you're wrong. Deal? Yes, deal, 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 deal. The answer is a mechanic. Well done. 300 points for Team A. Team B, it's your turn. Places for 200 points. Places for 200 points it is. Where do you go to see a police officer? Police station. Yes, you are right. Well done. 200 points for you. Team A, your turn. Spelling for 400 points. Spelling for 400 points. Okay. Well, Spell the word for a person who designs new buildings. A-R-C-H-I-T-E-C-T. Architect. That's right! Oh my god, you are so clever! 400 points for you. Now, Team B, pick your category. Fill in the blanks for 100 points. Fill in the blanks for 100 points. The teacher, English every day. Speaks? Are you sure? Think harder. Teaches. The teacher teaches English every day. Yeah. Yes, perfect. Good job. Excellent. Well done. 100 points for you. Now, Team A, it's your turn. Mystery question for 500 points. 500 points. Are you sure? The higher the point value, the more difficult the question is. Yes, I am sure. I feel confident today. I think I can crack this chestnut. Okay, sure. Mystery question for 500 points. I have keys, but I don't open any locks. I have space, but no room. You can enter, but you cannot go inside. What am I? A prison? A vault? My heart? No, I think it's a keyboard. Keyboard. Oh my god. Genius! You are right! Absolutely right! 500 points are yours. Team B, you've got to show Team A what you've got. You have to show them. Come on. Jobs for 200 points. Daily double! My god, daily double! Team B, you can wager some or all of your points. If you answer correctly, you can earn these points in addition to your 200 points. If you guess incorrectly, you lose your wagered points. How many points do you want to wager? Let me know. We want to wager 100 points. Excellent! Here is your question. What do you call a person who takes care of your teeth? It is a dentist. Yes, you are absolutely right. Good job. So you have 200 plus 100 points. You have 300 points. Well done.
Finish the game with the final round question. Before you reveal the question, ask the teams to wager some or all of their points. After the teams submit their wagers, display the question. The team that buzzes in first gets the chance to answer the question. If correct, the team earns the points. If incorrect, they lose the wagered points and the turn goes to another team. Please remember that the final round question should not be easy. Make it a riddle. For example, Val's father has 4 children. Sam, John, and Jenna are 3 of them. Who is the 4th? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more educational content. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in my next video.